Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the contact form element. The contact form element provides a direct line of communication between you and your visitors. Here I have a contact form element on the page. By default, it has fields for name, for email, for phone number, and message. Let's walk through the options the contact form element has to offer. First, you see a message at the top. The information will be sent to your store email, and you can change the email here. If you click on it, it will redirect to the email setting inside Shopify admin, and the information will be sent to this store email. You can click Edit to change the store email address. If you want to add a custom field, please read this article. We are going to add a custom field at the end of this tutorial. Then we have an option group for name fields. You can disable name field. Make it required. Change the label. The placeholder when the field is empty. Next, you can change options for the email field. Here you can change the label. The placeholder when the field is empty. You can change options for the phone field. Hide the phone field. Change the label and placeholder. You can make the phone field required. Then move on to the message field. You can change the label and placeholder. If you want to show a confirmation box here, you can enable confirm field. And we can change the label. Make it to check by default. Make it required. You can change options for the submit button. Let me change it to submit. On success, we can show a message or redirect to a thank you page. In case of an error happened, you can show an error message to the user. We can change the font, label color, input color, the submit button color, label size, and input size like this. If you want to add custom fields to the contact form, you can edit its code. We can follow this article on how we can modify its code. Let's say I want to add a company field into the form. You see an example here. I will copy this code. Inside the editor, right-click on the contact form element, select Edit Code, and I will paste this code line before the message right here. And we can format it a little bit. And save the change. You see the company field is here. Let me go ahead and save. Publish the page. Here I can see the contact form on the live page. And let me submit the form. It is submitted. And I received the information to my store email address like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.